Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Learn with Abita. Today I have a new video on Python data structure. I will cover a data structure named tuple. Before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. A tuple is a sequence data type. It is an immutable object, which means that it cannot be changed. We basically use this data structure to represent fixed items. Now let's see with an example. In example 1, I demonstrate the creation of a tuple with strings. Within this example, I have used the names of some Canadian provinces to form a tuple containing strings. When the code is executed, it will display the data type of the tuple. As you print province, you can see that the province's name has been identified. In tuples, we can use strings, integers, and float at the same time. Let's see another example. We can use strings, integers, and float at the same time. Let's see another example. I have used tuple 1, then in parentheses Nova Scotia, and an integer and a float. As I print, the result shows the printout of the type of tuple containing strings, integers, and float. In the next example, I will demonstrate how to concatenate two tuples. Concatenation involves adding new elements, whether they are strings or integers, to an existing tuple. Let's consider our previous example. As you can see, I have taken tuple 1 is equal to parentheses Nova Scotia 12 and 10.3. Now I would like to add Alberta and the integer 13 to this existing tuple. To achieve this, I will create a new tuple, tuple 2. In tuple 2, I will concatenate or combine tuple 1 with Alberta 13 by using the plus operator. The result will show that the new tuple, tuple 2, has already incorporated Alberta and the integer 13. Each element in a tuple can be obtained by utilizing an index. Indexing starts with 0 and it can be negative. But remember, negative indices count from the end of the sequence with -1, representing the last element. Let's see by using our previous example. From our previous example, I would like to print integer 12. To print the variable, we will use this code as follows. Print, parenthesis, tuple 2, bracket 1. You can see the output is 12. Now we will check the type of value, whether it is integer or float. Let's write another simple code. Print type tuple 2 bracket 1. You can see the class indicates it is an integer. Next up, I will show using negative indexing. Let's consider the previous example. Now I will obtain the second last element, which is Alberta. To make this happen, I will write tuple 2 in bracket -2. In the bracket, I must write -2 as -1 starts from the last element 13. In the output, you can see the result Alberta. Now I will show how to slice tuples. Slicing is the extraction of a part of a tuple, list, or string. Let's revisit our previous example to make this concept clear. For example, let's slice from index 0 to index 3. To do this, we will use the code tuple2 bracket. We will put the range 0, 4. The ending index, which is 4, is not included in the slice. In other words, it will print elements at indices 0, 1, 2, and 3, which are Nova Scotia, 12, 10.3, and Alberta. But it will not print 13. You can see the example when I run the code. Next, let's determine the length of the tuple using the formula len tuple2. Therefore, its length is 5. We are almost at the end of the video. Before I conclude, I would like to show you how to sort values in a tuple in ascending order. Let's consider the following example. This is our sample tuple of student scores. Now I will sort the tuple. I will use the formula scores sorted is equal to sorted parenthesis score. Now you can see that it has been sorted in ascending order. I've also added a practice exercise with a solution in my GitHub repository, and the link is provided in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it. I will catch you in the next video.